Hindi masasayang ang ano nyo. 2,800 dito. Yan siya. Nice siya guys, as in. Hi! Hello! Oh! Astig guys, astig ang galing niya. Stories again, and welcome back to our channel. I miss you all guys. I haven't vlogged for a long time because I'm very busy in my work. We have always overtime and we have also work Saturday. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. And by the way, Merry Christmas to all. Hope you are celebrating your Christmas happy and you receive many gifts, love and peace. So, because nobody loves me, I bought for myself a gift for vlogging. I planned that even I'm busy, I try to make a vlog because YouTube is not active. I New Year's resolution. Charot. So guys, now we do unboxing. I bought this in Kupang, the online shopping here in Korea. The name of this is Bymo Rolling 360 degrees O2 fallowcam, O2 tracking fallowcam, smartphone QGD Gimbal, YouTube for vlogging. So let's open together. Hope this is good. The price is Korean won is 69,000 won. For in peso, maybe 2,800. Maybe in 2,800 in pesos. I bought this before Christmas, and then I don't open because I make vlog for this. Built-in rechargeable. Ayan siya guys. Oh, built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Ayan, ganyan lang siya guys. Oh, yan. So, hope this is good. If this is good, then I always make vlog. He have 3 colors available, pink, sa camera. But I don't know how to use, guys. If I'm finished unboxing, I make another video for review. If this is good. So you fall for me. Charot. Charot lang. So the charger is only the wire only, and yung saksakan siya, yung isaksak mo wala siya. Female plug. Male. So, andito yung ano siya guys. Here's the charging station. Charging station. Ha! Rotation. So, magro-rotate lang siya, guys. Automatic siyang magro-rotate. Face, body. rotation 360, vlog shooting, face body tracking, portrait switch, intelligent modes, tripod completed. I don't know if I install an application here in my phone. Kasi may nakalagay siya guys eh. Auto tracking phone holder. Press and hold the power off for 3 seconds. The blue indicator. Blue indicator daw. Simply atay na oy. Ah, ito pala siya. Is stand pala siya guys. Ganyan. This is the stand. So, may ano na siya dito. May bolt. Ikot mo lang. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-on. Saan kaya yung on dito guys. I don't know where is the switch for on and off. Ayun! On ko na siya. Dito pala siya guys. Oh, here. Here is the switch of on off. Ayan na siya. Umiikot talaga siya guys. As in. Ayan mo. Dito ako. Ah! Galing! Ay, very nice! That's nice guys. Nice. Kasi ano siya, yung phone ang gamit mo, automatic na siya na susunod lang siya sa'yo. Ayan o. Ah! So nice siya guys. It's only 2,800 in Philippines. Ayan siya o. Nagro-rotate siya guys. Ay, aba, ang galing. Kita nyo guys. Kita nyo. Ayan o. So, kung i-slide ko siya, ay, aba, ang galing talaga siya guys, as in, ang galing niya. Hello! Ayun, natutuloy na yung for I vlog always. Ayan siya, oh. Umikot-ikot siya guys, automatic. Ayan siya, okay siya guys, ayun oh. So, enough for this. So if I how if I make so guys pag if I go horizontal, if your phone, if you make horizontal, so ano siya guys, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Hindi masasayang ang ano nyo. 2,800 dito. Nice siya guys, as in. Hi! Hello! Oh! Astig guys, astig ang galing niya. As in. So yan ang aking, this is my gift for myself. Because nobody gave me gifts. Oh. So ayan ang ating unboxing guys. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery. This is the I bought in Kupang online shopping. Ayan. I satisfied my gift. My gift for myself. Ayan guys, so hope you like it. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. And comment nyo na rin if you have questions or suggestion for our next vlog. So, thank you for watching, guys, and keep safe, take care always, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye, Muhas.